What were you doing? The past continuous tense. Please watch the following video to learn how to use past continuous tense in the right context. Dialogue 1. Who were you going with? Morning, Mary. Good morning, Nina. Where were you after work yesterday? Nowhere. Why are you asking me that? Come on, tell me the truth. Who were you going with last night at 8? What? I don't understand what's going on. Come on, girl. I knew that you were out with a guy yesterday. Oh my God! How do you know? Well, I actually accidentally saw you and someone passing by down the street when I was standing next to my window. Oh, I see. Who was that? He looked very familiar, but I wasn't sure who that was. That's John. John, your new neighbor? Yeah. I can't believe you didn't tell me you were dating him while we were best friends. Sorry, Mary. I truly didn't mean to hide it from you. Yesterday was actually only our first date. Oh, really? Yeah. Sorry again for not letting you know about this sooner. To be honest, I was also a bit hesitant to tell you the news right away because I was afraid you would tease me. Don't worry. Tell me all the details then. Okay, last Sunday I was watching TV at home when I heard my doorbell ringing. It turned out that John came over to return the iron he borrowed. After that, he asked me if I wanted to have dinner with him. That's so sweet. Then how was the date yesterday? It was great. We went to a French restaurant and talked about a lot of things. We have a lot in common. Wow, I'm glad to hear that. Dialogue 2. The neighbor who was always making noises. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Lucy. Why do you look so tired? Oh, I spent all day moving into my new apartment yesterday. Oh, I didn't know that. I thought you just moved into a new place a month ago. Why are you moving again so soon? Ugh, it's all because of my neighbor there. Why? What's the matter? There's a guy living in the apartment next door, and he's the noisiest person I've ever known. The whole time that I lived in that apartment, he was making noises. All the time! During the day, he would be singing or talking very loudly on the phone with his friends. When I was sleeping in my bed at night, he was always watching films and laughing, sometimes until 2 or 3 a.m. That sounds horrible. Did you try to work the problem out with him? Yes, I came over to have an honest talk with him. I also had to knock at his door several times and politely tell him to keep the noises down, but he was so rude. He told me to stay out of his business. He also said he was just enjoying life and that he had the freedom to do whatever he liked in his apartment. It was so frustrating! Oh my God, that's awful. I wouldn't want to deal with someone rude like him. Did you talk to the building's managers? I did. They were very understanding of my situation. When they were talking to the noisy guy and telling him to avoid making loud noises and bothering other people, he didn't seem to care at all and shut his door on them. I had no choice but to move out. Yuck, poor you. Did you move into the new place all right? Yeah, luckily everything seems okay now. I'm glad to hear that. Dialogue 3. What were you doing?
Gloria. Good morning. How are you? Good morning, Tiffany. I'm fine, thanks. What about you? I'm great, thanks. Hey, by the way, what were you doing when I called you last night? There seemed to be a lot of noises, but you said you were busy, so I didn't have the chance to ask. Oh, I'm sorry again for all the noises. My nieces and nephew came over. Yesterday was my sister's 5-year wedding anniversary, so she and her husband were going out on a date at a nearby French restaurant. My husband and I wanted them to enjoy their romantic dinner, so we agreed to watch the kids for them. Ah, I see. How many nieces and nephews do you have? I have only one nephew who just turned 5, and twin nieces who are only 3. Oh, nice. And you have 2 kids, so yesterday you were watching 5 kids in total? Yeah, basically. Oh my god. I love children, but watching 5 kids at the same time must be so hard. Yeah, you're not wrong at all. Last night, all of them were playing games and watching cartoons together. I tried to tell them to keep it down, but it was impossible. It's the same for my kids. The kids are still small, so it's understandable why they're naughty. Yeah, I guess.